Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and it's a Monday afternoon. It's been raining, but we're installing a walk-in cooler, both the condenser and the evaporator coil inside. So here we got it. There's Carlos. That's Frank. Working on the walk-in cooler right here. And here's our little canopy. That's that. Brand new. And we're gonna go inside. Gonna go inside here and look at the
Right here.
Oh, I got you. Okay. I'll run where everything goes.
that's the evaporator coil inside. Nice and chilly. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacnheating.com. 512-448-0532. Manor AC.